Sardine in Saor, in Venetian dialect, means flavorsome sardine. To prepare the Saor, which is a tasty marinade, I put Filippo Berio extra virgin olive oil, bay leaves, juniper berry, and peppercorns in a saucepan over medium heat. When the herbs start to brown, add the sliced onion, season with salt and pepper, and gently cook for about 20 minutes, or until the onions are soft. Turn up the heat and slowly add the vinegar. Turn off the heat and add the drained raisins. In the meantime, we have already prepared the sardine by putting them on the fryer for 1 minute and then leaving them in a marinade for 1 day. When are ready to serve, we compose a lasagna with alternating layers of sardine and wholemeal bread prepared like a Melba toast. Finish with a drizzle of Filippo Berio extra virgin olive oil and toasted pine nuts. Here it is, a masterpiece of Italian regional cooking.